grade 11 maths, unit 6, transformation. Okay. Under transformation, the transformation can classify it or categories into two: rigid motion and non-rigid motion. Therefore, now question number 1: which one the following transformation is non-rigid motion? Therefore, now non-rigid motion and rigid motion, A B does not equals to A prime B prime. That means that does not preserve distances. That's a non-rigid relation means that does not preserve distances. Therefore, now AB does not equals to A prime B prime. Let's say A say to be A comma B. A is given, and also B say to be C comma D. The distance AB means distance of AB is equals to the square root of from C minus A the whole square plus D minus B the whole square. This is distance of AB. Don't forget about this one, okay? The distance of AB was this one. Then based on this, A prime is equals to, or A prime translated to x comma y, or say to be x in the place of x stays to be A comma B is equals to change into A plus 1 B plus 1. Okay. Therefore, now this is A prime. Again, say to be B prime. B prime is translated C to D, translate to C plus 1, again D plus 1. Therefore, now the distance from A, okay, the distance A prime B prime is equals to the square root of, that means from C plus 1 minus A plus 1, this whole square, plus then from D plus 1 minus B plus 1, the whole square. That means 1 minus 1 is 0. Again, C minus 1 is equals to the square root of C minus A the whole square plus D minus B the whole square. This is distance of A prime B prime. Therefore now for A B is equals to A prime B prime. This is known as rigid motion. Okay? Rigid motion. There B also say to be B. A prime for B, A prime is equals to translation A comma B is equals to, this means change in the place of A and B, then minus B A. B prime say to be translate to C D is equals to minus D again C. Okay. Therefore now A prime B prime, the distance of A prime B prime is equals to the square root of, check it, okay, C minus A the whole square plus D minus B the whole square. Therefore now this is equals to A B is equals to A prime B prime. Therefore now it's known as rigid motion also. Rigid motion. C is also rigid motion, the same as rigid motion. Check it, okay? B A B C is rigid motion. Now check it. D means A prime is equals to T A prime A comma B is equals to translate to 2B comma 2A. This is A prime. Now B prime is C comma D is equals to translate to C comma D means 2D comma 2C. Now this means A prime B prime is equals to twice of square root of C minus A the whole square plus D minus B the whole square. Now A prime B prime does not equals to A B. Therefore now it's known as non-rigid motion. If it is non-rigid motion, therefore now the answer should be D. Okay, the answer should be D. Okay, translate T taken at the point of 7 2 to 5 3. Then the image of this one. The image of point is always points. The image of line is line. The image of circle is circle. Therefore, the image of this one, based on the translation, then translation vector is equals to from 5 minus 7 comma from 3 minus 2 is equals to translation vector is equals to this means minus 2 comma 1 is known as translation vector. If it's translation vector, it's very easy. P for 8 minus 8 translation vector V is equals to translation vector is minus 2 1. That means minus 2 plus this one is 2, 1 plus this is minus 7. Okay, therefore now the answer should be 2 in the minus 7. The answer is B. Okay, the answer is B. Number 3, the translation T is taken at the point of this to up to this one. Then the image of the line of this one. The image of line is equals to line. The image of point is equals to pointers. Therefore now find first find translation vector is equals to 2 minus 3. 2 minus 5 is minus 3. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. If with this one, then put in the place of x plus 3 in the place of x. Now y minus 4 puts in the place of y. Okay, they're very easy now. Now L prime says that the image of this one 3 in the place of x plus 3 then minus twice of in the place of y minus 4 is equals to 6. Now 3x plus 9 minus 2y plus 8 is equals to 6. Then 3x minus 2y is equals to 6 minus 1 7. Therefore now 3x minus 2y is equals to minus 11. This is L prime or the image of this one. Therefore now the answer should be 3x minus is equals to C is the answer. Okay, thank you.